Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And today I am doing a New Year's Eve glam sort of video, which is what I have on right now. So if you want to see how I do this, keep on watching. And yes, I am wearing a little headband because this is part of my 12 days of Christmas. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I am using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Strobe Cream. Just going to put that all around my face just to brighten it up and give it more of a glow. And of course it will make me look a bit whiter, but we will fix that. La 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 la. Next I'm taking the P. Louise base. It is in the shade Rumour, and my Zoeva soft concealer brush, and I'm just gonna pat that all around my eyes. First lining out my eyebrows and covering up all those unwanted hairs, and then patting this concealer in. And this concealer is great for around your eyes whenever you're feeling a bit tired, or also whenever you look a bit hungover the next day. So there's a little tip for you: stick some of this on. If you are going out New Year's Eve and you have work New Year's Day, stick on some of this, it'll brighten those eyes right up. The Kiehl's MUA palette, and going into Oath, and then just placing that on the outer corner of my eye with a little bullet brush, and then taking a little blending brush and just blending that up. Now I'm going in with Fling out of the P. Louise palette and just blending that around. Now I'm going to go in with those two colours again. So we're just building up these colours just so then whenever we go on to put on the glitter, it'll all look just so effortless, even though a lot of effort does go into it. Now I am going to take Oath again and just gently put that under my eyes. Back to my concealer, which is the P. Louise base again, and taking the SK05 brush, and I'm just going to cut the crease. Now whenever you have got your cut crease shape, then we can go on to filling everything in, adding the glitter, the best bit. Now for glitter today I am using Disco from Peaches and Cream. It is super sparkly, like super sparkly, and I'm just going to pat that on with a small brush. And then where the colours all meet the glitter, just literally drag that out. Like no product on this brush, just whatever is sort of left there. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on some eyelashes and eyeliner and I'll be right back. I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match foundation and going to put that all around my face just by patting it on. Because whenever we pat it, we get a higher coverage. And if you can see all these spots on my face, I need the higher coverage. And then on to some contour and highlighter. I'm going with Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and as you can see, these two, this one and this one, are mostly used, so those are what I'm going to be using today. So for the darkest shade, I'm going to just pat that on here, right, to give me some cheekbones. Then take the second darkest shade and just go round my face with that. The lightest shade I'm going to highlight under my eyes. And put a wee bit on my forehead as well, and a little bit on the chin. Then I'm going to take the blusher shade and do a little tick on my cheek. And now I blend everything in because I'm looking a little crazy. Get everything in place, so then I can go on to contour powders and stuff like that. I'm going to take the RCMA No Colour powder. So anywhere that we put the lightest shade, I'm just going to pat on the powder there first, just to set that first. And then you can go on with the rest of the face and just set the rest of the face to make sure it lasts all night long, baby. For powder contour, I'm taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer and I'm just gonna pat that on and gently blend it up. Pat it on and gently blend up. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Blush Dream palette and go in with this colour. You don't need to use blusher, but I just personally like using it. I take the highlighter palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and go in with this shade and just pat that into place too. The Barry M Matte Me Up kit. It is in nude and it is a lip liner and a matte lipstick. It is fantastic. I'm going to line out my lips and then throw some liquid liner on. And I am ready for New Year's Eve. Well, this is me done for my New Year's Eve glam look, and I hope you have a fantastic Christmas and a even better New Year, and I hope to see you all in the new year, and you will definitely see my face more often if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye, see you in the next video. Which we will get started now. Okay. We're off to see the wizard, the ones that are wonderful wizard. Because I cannot find my brush. Oh, that is pretty. Yes, I love this. I love this hat. You know what? I love it. I think I might just wear it all the time. Looks a bit strange. It looks a bit strange. Okay, so that is me done. You can check out all photos or anything like that on my Instagram page, which is Debbie Lee Makeup and Beauty. And yes, it is not. It is not. Me in on Instagram, which is Debbie Lee_makeup. Today also today. Today we were sparkles and let me see. What am I doing? Ow. Don't poke yourself in the eye. I put on little gingerbread man earrings because it's Christmas. They have little Santa hats and all on them too. They're cute. Yeah. Let's support each other. Goodbye.